Okay, for today's dictation, we're going to continue working on CK. CK makes the K sound at the end of a short vowel, one syllable word. Okay, number one, sick, sick, s-i-k, sick, s-i, sick. Number two, dock, dock, d-a-k, dock, d-a-k, dock, dock. Number three, slack, s-l-a-k, slack, s-l-a-k, slack, slack. Number four, black, b-a-k, black, b-a-k, black. Number five, two syllables. Backlog, backlog. First syllable is back. B-a-k, b-a-k, back. Second syllable, log, l-a-g, l-a-g, backlog. Rewrite the word, backlog. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Sick, dock, slack, black, backlog.